Okay, folks, I'm getting ready to place my kitchen faucet. I want to show quick. As you can see, it's leaking from right here in this spot and stuff like that, and it gets water all back here on the ridge and everything. And so it's time to replace it. I've been in this house. I brought it newly built home about 10 years ago. And so I brought the same type of faucet off eBay. And as you can see, Moen brand. And it's a little bit different, but not nothing major where I got to make any serious changes. So anyhow, let me go on and get up under here. I pulled everything from up under the sink. I already shut off my 2 water valves there. And so what I gotta do now, I got my little light up under here. So what I'm gonna attempt to do now is go on and get, so you kind of see what I'm doing here. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take off these 2 hoses here. And there might be a little water coming out. That's why I got the towel down here and stuff like that. So that way I can catch any water that might come out. Oh, I want to turn that water on. Yeah, there you go. Let me lift it up. Okay, so there's no water gonna come out. Put the towel up on there. And just let that drain on the towel. And it don't look like these threads had any plumber's tape on them. Right. Not a whole bunch of water in there. You could either have a towel or some kind of container and so forth on there to catch that water coming out of there. Okay. Get this other side here. And you do have an outlet up under here, as you can see right there, for the dishwasher. So I'm kind of away from that, so not really water getting in there. But you want to be careful of any outlets you got in there from the sink. Okay, so I think that much came out that one. Okay, so I got the hoses disconnected, stuff like that. So my next move is to, let me see if you can see what I'm trying to see up under here. Yeah, right there. And this is the hose that goes to the sprayer, hand sprayer. And so it's like a plastic wing nut up here. That one just hold a bit unloosen with my hand. Yeah, no problem. I think. And I want to look at, okay, I see what's happening. It's spinning. The whole thing is spinning when I'm turning it. So some kind of way I need to, there you go. Okay, I can do one hand. Just hold the thread pot, and then use one finger to spin the plastic wing net. So that's pretty simple. To get it go, once you get it going good, then I think you can still using one finger bring that on down there. It's coming out okay. All right, there you go. That's slide down. Now they give you a little tool, and I think this is gonna help to get the brass nut up there off. You kind of see it right there. So let me try to get that going. So what I'm gonna do, I guess. Oh wait a minute, that's not gonna work like that. Oh, right here, take this off. I guess. Let me see. This is the hose, so I gotta unloosen that out. I think I don't know. Let me see. I don't know if that unscrews off, or maybe you have to push it. There you go. Bam, that comes loose like that. This is a little clip right here. You kind of see it. You just squeeze the two tabs and push it, and it lets that loose. And I believe you're supposed to take this plastic gizmo here, and you got two ends. I think you take this end right here with the grooves like that, and it goes up. You slide the hoses through that. That's what I'm thinking. But I think that's gonna just go over. Let me see if that's gonna work like that. Is 3 a crowd or what? So push that tab back in maybe to get the fit over. I'm trying to get this. Ah, there it goes. Ooh. Oh no, that's not gonna work like that. I thought that was gonna work to go over that, and then use that to unscrew that way. That doesn't look like that's the plan for that. I don't know if this crescent wrench is gonna get up there enough to even open wide enough to even get on there. Nope, it's not gonna. That's the wide as it opens, so it's not wide enough to get on there. So let me see. Okay, so folks, what I had to do, because I thought that plastic piece, that's actually what goes on the new faucet to tighten it down with. As the old one had the brass nut up here, and so to get that loose, it got 3 holes. And so I took a small screwdriver and a small hammer. I took this little small like tack hammer, little small hammer, and I took this little small screwdriver here, and I just kind of took it. Let me kind of show you what I did real quick, because I got it loose now. So I kind of took it and just started banging on the little hole and working it loose enough where I can get up there with my hand and finish the job off with. So that worked with no problem. So when the new one goes up there, it's plastic, and you can use your hand to tighten it down with, and so it's gonna be a lot easier to replace later on if I decide to upgrade the faucet or anything, whatever, to take it off with. So I'm gonna finish taking this off, and that should be slide right off the hoses. And after I finish that, all right. Voila. That's it. And so, got that off. Now you just slide the faucet out of the way. Take y'all on top with me and show you what I'm doing up here. Okay. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah. That's the old corporate. Okay, so as you can see, the new faucet has all the pots, like that pot right there, the gasket. I guess it's the gasket and stuff like that. So we'll throw that to the side. And we'll just clean this crud up right here and stuff like that. I got a towel down here to do that with, some Windex. And get that cleaned up real quick. Yeah. Best I can anyhow. I don't know, at least the loose stuff. You know what? I got some, let me see where they at. I got some stuff that might work. These dry eraser. See if that'll help. Put some more little Windex down. This is the best it's gonna do. I could spend time trying to scrape all that off. I don't think so. Anyhow, okay. So, according to the instructions, now that I got all that removed, I'm working on this instruction B, because they got, I think got three, they got A, B, and C for different type of faucets and stuff like that. So it's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna put this on top of here, and then this goes over there. There's nothing difficult about this. Don't seem to be. Okay. And just slide this. It's kind of difficult. Let me put my phone down for a second. Just like so. And then the hose pot. So you got to take this. This is for the sprayer nozzle. I'm working with one hand here, holding the phone with the other. Just loosen this up. But this part right here can go on the bottom, and it's gonna tighten down the spray nozzle. Flange, I guess you call it. So all in all, without me sitting here holding the camera and trying to film this, it's pretty relatively, once you especially get that one brass nut off, it's pretty easy to replace these. Wow. Okay. And we're gonna take this now and just sit it. Yeah, so you got the grooves along the, let me see, get the camera focused a bit. I got these grooves right here. Yeah, got these grooves right here. As you can see, and just put it according to the grooves. And that locks that in place. And then we're gonna run the hose on through. Well, before I even, yeah, because yeah, this has to, I have to run the hose on through now, because this other piece right here, once I go up on the sink, this piece right here is gonna slide over the hose. So, and then you tighten that down. Before I do all that, I think even I can go on and tighten the faucet down itself. And I'm gonna look at the instructions real quick to make sure. Let me see, blah blah blah. Yeah, it shows that like I did. It goes down like that, no problem. Tighten that, yeah, it shows that to do next. Tighten that down. Yeah, tighten that down. Then do the faucet part. Okay, and so let's get that part done. All right. Okay. Switch this back. Done down here. Okay. Okay, let me see. So it has a gap. So this right here, I kind of see what they're talking about. See, it has a gap right there on this end compared to that end. So yeah, then the gap part supposed to go up. So we're gonna make sure we do that. Cause I do not feel like taking this back off. You know what? This right here that was on there, I might put that, I don't know if I want, no, I guess not. Don't need it. I was gonna say I'm gonna put that back on there, but I don't think it needs to be. Okay. All right, so we're gonna just it says hand tighten this down, and that's what we're gonna do. So if you ever do, I'm not gonna like just crank it on real hot. I'm gonna hand tighten it just enough until I get test everything. And in this case, I gotta take anything back apart. I hope I don't. I just pull this on down. This is the sprayer hose. Okay, and so these are labeled hot, hot side, and so but what's so crazy about it? Let me show you something. I can tell from here, these are not labeled. Can you see that? No. These are not labeled which one is hot. And I didn't pay attention when I took it off as to which one is hot and which one is cold. I don't know if automatically, I'm gonna assume that the left side, for some reason I'm gonna assume, based off the way this is coming down, I'm gonna take an educational guess here. You see the hot side is coming off of this side right here. So I'm gonna assume that this is the hot knob. I'm gonna try that and see how that works. And so this is, if it's not, then I'll just have to take it back loose and do it back over. So I'm gonna, let me switch the camera so I can get a grip while I do this. So I give you a little look. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay. And now, all right. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh. Now I'm not putting plumber's tape on this because it didn't have none on there, and I'm gonna tighten it down. It does have a washer on the end, so I'm gonna put these on, tighten them down, and if it does leak, then I'll you know, turn around and put plumber's tape on it. Hand tighten down, then get my crescent wrench back up here. Or let me see, I brought me another pair of pliers up here too. I can use them to tighten it down with. So we get these tight down, nice and snug. That one's snug. And you don't know if they're not snug enough. When you turn the water on, you might get like a low. If one drop of water seeps from out of there, then you can try to tighten it down more, see if that stops it, or you might take it back off and put plumber's tape. But that washer, once you tighten it down, should seal off. Okay, I got them 2 parts done. Next, we gotta slide that other piece of plastic over the sprayer hose and get that tightened down. Let me see which way this gonna go. Okay. All right. So we gotta get this part on now. You can see it. Yeah, so this long part gonna be facing down. Alright, so you see some water on the hose right now. On this line right here. This is from when it was dripping. Okay, let's come over here a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, okay? Trying to get it started. Once I get it started, it should be easy. Yeah. All right. Get that hand tight. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. All right. Now this part right here, the hose, they got like a little plastic tube piece that shoves it up right back here, like the old one was. You're just gonna go straight up in there. You got a little plastic tool that you push it up in there with, I guess, and lock it in place. So let me get that. But first of all, let's check and look up top and see what's happening. All right. So, all right, sis. This is all. Now, right now, I just got this. I ain't tightened it down for full force yet. Get that a little tighter. But we're gonna just get everything, get the spray nozzle hooked up. And let me see. Oh, something ain't right with that. I guess when I was messing with it, it came out of place, so it's lopsided. So, okay, so I finally, let me show you. Right. Okay, so I finally got the sprayer nozzle flange like it's supposed to be, and so forth. So it looks good so far. Let's go here, finish up, and I'm gonna go on the hand tighten. Oh, before I do all that, I gotta hook up my, my sprayer hose. It's, tight spots down here. See if I can get y'all in here. See what I'm seeing. Best I can. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. So this little piece right here, somehow you just snap that onto the hose, and you're going to shove it up into the back of the faucet here, and I believe it's supposed to just snap into place. Yeah, okay, I see the grooves. So it has grooves. It's all pretty simple. It has grooves to help, you know which how it's supposed to go. There you go. Hey, it's snapped in place. Now we're gonna finish hand tightening the faucet down. We're gonna finish hand tightening the sprayer down. Okay, that's good. That'll be good. We'll make sure that the faucet is good and tight. Okay. Now, it's just a matter of turning our water on and make sure there's no leaks. Cold side and then the hot side. And we're gonna just wait a second and make sure that there's no leaks. We'll feel no moisture. Is there a little moisture? I think so. Might be a little bit coming from the cold side. I don't know if that's leftover moisture or what. But what I'm gonna do is to make sure it's tighten down. No, it's tight. So what I'm gonna do is kind of tight. I'm gonna dry it off. Make sure it's dried off good, and that it doesn't. I don't feel no moisture after that. Okay, I think it's done, folks. You see it? Yeah, it's good. That was just leftover. So okay, good. Let's go upstairs. Boy. All right. So let's see what happens. All right, that water coming out, and we're gonna keep an eye on for leaks. Make sure we ain't got no leaks and everything. And we'll make sure we got the hookup right, the hot side. Okay, that's hot, so that's the left side, that's right. Yeah. No leaks, baby. No leaks from around here we was looking at before. Let's test our sprayer. Make sure it's hooked up right. Sprayer working properly. So I think we're in good shape. Let's just get one more look down here and make sure no leaks down here. Yeah, looks good, looks good, looks good. Yeah, so everything looks good, folks. Very simple on installing and changing out your kitchen faucet. All right.